It's a garden dedicated to Hello Kitty. Look at that.
Hello Kitty.
Are we going in right now to Hello Kitty?
Take a look at the menu and let's see what they have.
This is the Hello Kitty.
Kitty food.
This is the Hello Kitty
Kitty
food.
food.
Which one are you getting, Ava? This one, I think, right? You get like 2 tempura shrimp, and it might be a little dessert there. Miso soup, some noodles, and Hello Kitty in the middle of all of them. So for the babies, I think you can just get these rice cakes that are shaped like Hello Kitty. You could just come here if you don't want to like have like a meal. You could have just like a dessert, or I think what's really popular are these coffees or lattes or matcha
Oh, I'm gonna
teas.
have a latte. I'm gonna have a latte. Okay, so I got my huge cup of Hello Kitty Cafe Latte. Let's see if it tastes any different. It's a good latte.
You can even see the Hello Kitty right here. You want to bite? Let's eat Hello Kitty.
The Hello Kitty doesn't taste like anything, but the sauce tastes like eggs.
Oh, like an egg sauce.
It does, she's right.
It's this hot. Nothing really tastes like anything,
But it looks like Hello Kitty.
but it feels like Jello.
Yeah, maybe it's Jello.
And it's sticky in my mouth. And this is my little soup. Oh, Mom, look at the soup.
Like, it looks like marshmallow.
Let me taste.
Let's taste.
It doesn't taste like marshmallow.
No?
It's not sticky. Oh, I want to taste this. Oh, what's this?
That's pretty good.
Dad, you
It's
get...
like a miso soup.
Oh, no.
Do you like the soup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The soup is really good.
And you also have like a noodle salad bowl.
I'll taste the noodles.
Yeah. I think you already ate the Hello Kitty part off of it.
Yeah. The noodle tastes like eggs.
I think it's egg noodles. I think you're right. You know when they're yellow, usually you can tell that they're egg noodles. Yeah.
But they're so good.
Yeah.
Let's taste this.
Gonna have a little taste. It's basically shrimp with some green powder. It looks like matcha, maybe matcha powder sprinkled all over it. Let's take a bite. That works, yeah. It's very crunchy, very fresh, beautiful. I think this is a fried tempura tomato. I don't know if we can see it here. That looks like a tempura tomato. Let me taste that. Oh, definitely not a tomato.
It's a nice.
Actually, I can't tell what it is.
Me neither. I can't tell.
It looks like a tomato because of the way that it's shaped.
Actually, it does taste like a tomato.
Yeah, maybe it is a tomato. But I think frying it really kind of removes any kind of original taste, so you can't really taste what it originally tasted like. It's just a charming, cute little place. A little pricey, but I guess you already know that, so.